Are you getting Nintendo Switch overheating error message? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways that you can use to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Power down and let it cool. A overheating error message on your Nintendo Switch is a sign the console is getting too hot and needs to cool down to prevent damage. The first thing you can do is turn the console off and let it cool down. Turn off your Switch completely. Don't put it in sleep mode. Place it on a flat, well-ventilated surface at room temperature. Avoid carpets, pillows, or enclosed spaces that trap heat. Let it cool down for at least 2 to 3 hours before you use it again. Method 2. Ensure proper ventilation. Check the air vents on the top and bottom of the Switch for any dust or debris blocking them. Use a can of compressed air to gently blow out any dust from a safe distance at least 6 inches, or use some cotton swab to clean the dust and debris. But avoid opening or disassembling your Switch to clean the internal components. This can void your warranty and damage the console if done incorrectly. Method 3. Keep the Switch in a cool ambience. Avoid using your Switch in excessively hot environments or direct sunlight. If docked, ensure the dock vents are clear and there is sufficient space around the dock for airflow. Don't cover the vents with anything. Use air conditioning, a fan, or find a cooler spot to play. The ideal temperature range for your Switch is 41 degrees Fahrenheit to 95 degrees Fahrenheit. That is 5 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius. If possible, consider a charging dock designed for better airflow compared to the standard Nintendo Switch dock. Method 4. Clean the controllers, keep cool. The Joy-Con controller rails can also connect dust. Use a soft brush or Q-tip to clean them regularly, especially if you notice the bottom right side of your Switch is getting hot. If cleansing doesn't solve the issue, consider seeking expert help for replacing the rails. Method 5. Avoid prolonged game sessions. Prolonged use, especially with graphically demanding games, can indeed cause the Nintendo Switch to overheat. To prevent overheating, it is recommended to take regular breaks during gaming sessions and avoid extended playtimes, especially when playing resource-intensive games. By following these guidelines and allowing the console to cool down periodically, you can help prevent overheating issues associated with prolonged and demanding gaming sessions. Method 6. Avoid charging while gaming. Charging the Nintendo Switch while playing games can cause overheating due to the increased power consumption. This is especially true for graphically demanding games that require more processing power. To avoid overheating, it is recommended to charge the console separately from gaming sessions. This allows the console to focus on cooling itself without the added load of charging. Method 7. Check the fans. When your Nintendo Switch is overheating, it is essential to check the fans to determine if they are functioning properly. Visually inspect the fans to see if they are spinning. If they are not spinning, it could indicate a problem with the fan motor or a blockage in the fan blades. Feel the air stream coming from the vents to check if the fan is blowing air. If there is no air stream or it feels weak, the fan might be malfunctioning. Listen for any unusual noises from the fan. If it makes a grinding or whirring sound, it could be a sign of failing fan. If anything seems unusual, take the Nintendo for repair and check. Method 8. Update the Switch. Ensure your Switch has the latest system software update. Updates might include improvements to thermal management. Here is how you can update the software. Ensure your console has the latest system update. Connect to the internet, then navigate to System Settings from the Home tab. Select the system. Next, select System Update. Let the process complete. Method 9. Contact Nintendo support. If the overheating error message continues despite following these steps, there might be an underlying hardware issue. In such cases, it's recommended to contact Nintendo support for further assistance. https://en-americas-support.nintendo.com/ And there you have it, the methods to fix Nintendo Switch overheating error message. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.